Hey guys, I hope that you are having a great first day of your rotation. I want to give you a video that's going to show you how to log cases in eMedley. eMedley is what we're going to use for all of your case logging and for, let's just restart that. Hey guys, I hope that you are having a great first day of your rotation. I want to show you a video on how to get started in eMedley so that you can log cases. The first step, open up a new tab. I'm showing you on a computer because it's a lot easier to record this way. You'll probably be doing it on your iPad. It should be the same process. In your internet browser, go to this website, he.emedley.com. That is he.emedley.com. When you arrive, if you've never logged in, which you probably haven't, you are going to click on Forgot Password. Click Forgot Password, type in your MC email address, click OK, follow the prompts and look for an email. That'll let you sign in. It's going to let you reset your password for the first time. If you have any trouble with that, let me know. I can get you logged in. So I'm going to log in. My screen is going to look a little bit different than what your screen looks like. So just sit tight because I'm very quickly going to pretend like I'm a student. Okay. Mary Beth, I am about to emulate you. Okay. This is what you should see when you successfully log in the first time as a student. It's going to have a little navigation tutorial that you can go through, and I'm going to kind of quickly go through it. You should spend more time on it when you log in the first time. So we're going to click next. It's explaining that you use this header icon to get to your home screen. That's kind of not the most intuitive way of doing it, so it's something to remember that if you feel like you're stuck deep in a menu somewhere and you just need to get back to your desktop, not your desktop, but your home screen, look up at the top and click eClass. You can expand and collapse this sidebar. This is where all the stuff is that you'll use. Applications, right now we're in an application called eClass. The whole eMedley suite is made up of several applications. I'll show those to you. You'll have reminders that pop up here, like little alerts, especially as it gets time to the end of your rotation to fill out an evaluation. Okay, that's good enough for now. The important things that you need to remember: if this sidebar is collapsed, click on it to expand it. There are several applications. The only one that you need right now to worry about is eClass, which is the one that we're in. So if you log in and you don't see this, if you don't see my case logs or my training, you're in the wrong application. Look up at the top, it should say eClass. If it doesn't, click on Applications and go to eClass. In order to create a new case log, click on this yellow briefcase. There's a Insert button with a green plus sign. Click on that. This will pull up a blank case. Okay. Let's run through this bit by bit. Start with general information. Period refers to which rotation number that you're on. This is rotation 1 for everybody. A rotation field is about which type of rotation you're on, emergency medicine or family. Mary Beth, I think that you're on family. Okay, next you can put in your site and your preceptor. You can expand this and go through the whole list. You also can type and it'll look for a keyword. So it'll narrow things down to whatever includes that. The same thing works for preceptor. Now later on, I'm going to show you how to create a template. The template will save however much or little information that you put in. So you'll want to create one at the bare minimum for the case that the rotation that you're on, so that you're not having to recreate this step over and over and over again, because you'll be at the same site on the same rotation for 5 weeks. Okay, moving to the next area is patient demographics. Don't use group encounter. We're not worried about that. The age field is a number. So 1, 2, 3, or 4, and that can be years, months, days, weeks. The program will calculate what type of a case you're seeing, like whether it's a pediatrics case or an adult or geriatrics, based on the age. So if you don't know the exact age, get as close as you can. Put in a fake case. So we're going to say 25-year-old male, okay. So far, this is what's required. First language and insurance are not required. I'm going to stop the video here and pick up on the next one, because I've got a 10-minute time limit on each section of video. So the next video is going to pick up after patient demographics with the tabs at the bottom, clinical information.